Everybody is so busy in this world. I don't know what they do, but if you want to be busy making hardcore cash, then I think you should watch this following presentation for next 2 minutes. We are dealing with one of the world's very in-depth and successful trader who has invented this unique oscillator and this unique way to trade without stops and make massive profits. And introducing Stan is the purpose of this quick presentation. Now, if you want to learn his strategies, this is what you will be expecting throughout the day in his trading room, where he's going to be telling you time to buy, time to sell, time to buy, hedge it, buy calls, buy puts, hedge it. So, and there's also this, there are 8 to 12 different rules for the oscillator below, which you need to learn as well. So, now you can see how precisely we are identifying buying and selling opportunities all during the day. Now, who is Mr. Stan? Stan is one of the so-called masters of the Wall Street with 50 years of experience trading options and E-minis, right? And before we had E-minis, we had full contracts. And now he's trading his private equity, and you know, $40,000-$50,000 a week, a month is pretty normal for him. Few years back, there were around 70 to 100 people in the class, and he was invited to do a live show, and in an hour and a half he made $70,000 in an hour and a half. That is somebody's yearly salary. Big game, big money. Now you have an opportunity here to learn from the master. If you like to learn how to play this game and make massive amounts of money, it might be time for you to sign up for 30 days of free trial. With $99 investment, you can learn and watch him execute right in front of you. And you can learn. And what we recommend is you send an email, send us an email at easyrhythm@gmail.com. Hello traders, today we had a fantastic trading day. As you can see on the left side, we have long-term assessment of the situation, and on the right side we have great trigger points. And to create a line, as we have been discussing, we need 2 points, and these are not the price channels. Nothing you see on the chart is a price chart. These are the internal mathematical algorithms for identifying the order flow, the buying and selling zones, buying selling pressure, and the iGotch news models. And obviously what we have done, this indicator, which is your Keltner channel volatility bands. So we are detecting those, and we have this very strong bias already established by this channel where the buyers and sellers are coming in. A small move from the top to the mid of the band is 10 S&P E-mini future points. So we had a great day today. Right there on the top, we decided to go short, and the reason you can see on the right chart right there. Let me mark it for you guys. This is not the first time, we've done it every week. Right there we had a third point touch on the quant channel coming down right here, and right there, this is the zone where we bought 100 puts, hitting quite a bit of profit. As you can see, it rolled down around $1.5 where we exited. We didn't wait for the last minute, right? So we exited somewhere right here. So anyway, so we had a great day, and as you can see, that this was a pinpointed entry point based on three different conditions we are looking at. So this is how accurate the system is. And early morning, we got up at 2 in the morning. As you can see, the time and the date is 6:24, and this is a 9:30, and this is 4 o'clock in the morning. Right? So roughly at 4 o'clock in the morning, right there, we got a big buy entry signal. The options are closed. So if you had already hedged or bought some puts here, hedge it here. So this is the strategy which you have to learn how to hedge it, what entry points to come into. And you can see why would we have entered here, same logic here, two touch points, third entry point right there, and we have extended on one side of the equation. Plus, as we have been talking to you earlier, these are the lines right there. See this purple line coming in right there. It touched to the tick. So we have three different conditions telling us to go long here. And on the higher time frame charts, same situation here, right there. And let me draw that price level also right there. These are automatically drawn. So this is the point where the price was subject to going high, and this is exactly what it did. So great reversal days, and this is how you make $30,000-$40,000 in 3-4 days. If you know how to hedge, how to get into options, how to get into futures, when to hedge it, and this can make a massive amount of difference. The precision can change the game. Entering few points later can mean a difference of half a million to $1 million a year, right? So this is very, very critical that you understand the whole structure and wait patiently for the perfect conditions where you have high probability of being successful, especially when you're playing 100, 200, 300, 400 options. One of the members in the room today shorted around 500 contracts, $50,000 in few hours. That is somebody's 1 year salary in few hours. That's the game. Obviously, you will not be shorting 100, 200, 300 contracts to start with. You build your positions 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. As the week progresses, you keep buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling. And this is what you need to learn, how to structure the deals to hedge it, how to get in the game properly, at what level to get in. And this is what you will watch us do live. So, another great day. Thank you.